What is up, guys, and welcome back to another epic video. Today we are reacting to Twinkie the Parrot Makes Owner Laugh Hysterically by Newsflare. Link is down below if you want to go and check it out. This video, the voice of the owner in this video is a lot different. Oh, and the parrot as well, but anyway, we shall get to it.
Twinkie, 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 Stinky, Stinky, Stinky.
I'm already laughing. The voices are like edited.
Twinkie, 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 Twinkie.
Oh my gosh! Look, laughing. I am legit laughing in a video again. I laughed in a video last time. Oh my gosh! I can't breathe either. Oh my gosh. Alright. That was Twinkie the Parrot Makes Owner Laugh Hysterically by Newsflare. Hope you guys have all enjoyed. I can barely talk for this. I hope you guys have all enjoyed, and don't forget to stay tuned for future videos. And yeah, we will see you next time, and don't forget to don't forget to stay tuned for our 200 subscriber celebration. That's coming out real soon. But yeah, hope you enjoyed and have a great day.